Hi, everyone. I just wanted to get with you today because we have reached the 2 week warning. That's right, there's only 2 weeks to go in your Summer Flex Health class. Most of you are right on track, some of you are behind in staying on track to finish by August 26th. However, I believe in all of you, and I know that if you apply yourself, that if you work consistently, get into class, and get into your lessons, that you will complete this course on time. I wanted to share some things with you that it is important to do during this last 2 weeks. First of all, go back in the class and make sure you've completed every post test. Once you check for that, make sure you've completed both discussion assignments. There's one in Module 2, or excuse me, there's one in Module 1 and one in Module 3. In Module 2 and 4, there are projects that need to be done. Remember that all of these things I just mentioned are weighted more heavily than other assignments. Your post tests are actually required for you to be completed to get credit for your course. So let's say that you miss part 1 of your Module 4 post test. I would not be able to give you credit for the class. That has to be taken. So just be sure you go back and you do a check of those things and check to see if you have other missing assignments, or look for that if you have a 0 and I have given you and you have a circular arrow by that grade, that means that I've allowed a retry and given you a retry for that assignment. You can go back in, review the lesson, and redo the assignment for a higher grade. Checking all of those things will give you the best uh, track to success. And if I can help you with anything, please let me know. Your site coordinators should be going back to the schools now, so you should not have any difficulty getting a proctor for those proctored tests in Modules 2 and Module 4. Don't forget that in Module 4 you have one proctored post-test part, which is Part 1, and then you have the Module 4 Part 2 post-test, which is not proctored. You can go right in and complete that Module 2, that Part 2 Module 4 post-test, and take that and submit it, and then make an appointment for Module 4 Part 1. So as we go into these final 2 weeks, the most important things are log in consistently, complete multiple lessons and assignments when you do, communicate with me, communicate with your teacher. That is very critical at this point. If you need anything at all, email me or call or text, and I will be happy to work with you. Make sure you have all assignments completed. If you do that, then you're going to finish well, get this credit, and be off to a good start in the school year.